Hello, welcome back to the CTP video 3. The theme we will cover today is programming and functionality. The content that we cover for this video is the all function and variables of programming files, the database, which is the create tables, file and statement, and the table functionality, which is the content storage, and users, about the username and password, and the user group and rights. We will be modifying and create an account and login, the public user and admin interface, and paging, insert and create and delete, edit, and insert the page with the link external and internal, and the protection of the page, view page and delete page, upload and download file, and the file path, and the image with the database connection and all public tracking activity logs, and the recent change and the searching. These are SQL commands to set up this described in the documentation, and this is the create and add file for the database, and this is a create statement for the database or trigger options, the option create statement, the body for the functionality and the procedure, and this is the data functionalities with the main tables and content storage. We can see the site status, the total for calculation, page image, the page link, and user and the login. So this is the main one. The more we will cover in the final report. And these are users. The function where you get database ID and username for the new instance, for the user register, and the get groups, get and rights, and there's username and password. For using the ID, the username password, and loop the server and upload the database. There's a change function, change the password as well. And there's a create account and login. You can show the login, create the form, the system configuration, the HTML, and this the password and the retype again, and read the random, you need to enter and confirm and submit the password authentication. And there's a power policy for the wiki. You can go through it. And this is the login page and the create account, which you see a welcome page for the new user, and the login page as well, and the user logout. This is the functionality. So this is the main interface, and the user right and groups, the all permission for the visitors. The visitors only get two options, create and login. So this is the public user interface, and this admin interface got the different, and this we modify the way the user rights and groups are set up. This and check the current user right and save the user right, and create a new page function, the all page and load input and output, and this edit page function that call action edit. Then I mentioned here, get contents, and then Editpage.js, and make a page edit, which is you can see the interface here, and then you edit with it was saved, which is successful to save edit page. And there's a WikiEditor toolbar that for the bold and all these underline, all these like the function like Microsoft Word. And this is the page link, internal, external link, which is like the external is like YouTube, for example. The internal is like the link towards the wiki. And this protection and the page protection and the view page, and the new page notice, and this database connection for those, and then the main variables, and this delete page features, and the reason that only main can allow update the database, upload file from file, show the main upload form, and this is the file user. The max is this one, max upload size, which is in bytes. And yeah, and this is a download function, and this is the retrieve the directory, and this is a download a file through HTTP, and all files and output in input, a file path, image and upload. And this is the get form, unique short field and query forms and database, or public logs, which is first the three main is search and view results, and the page history, and the data image link file usage, and this history result, and this user creation and the result. And for this for the one we will cover in the final report, and then searching and final changes, recent changes searching. This output, this is a database. Thank you for watching. The next video including for more with its folders features, user categories, and more web interface, and more logs tracking, account management handling, access point, how to store upload file, and JSON and database structure. Thank you.